Tests Incorporated, we are gonna build some jungle trees today, or redo the jungle trees in Minecraft. Now you see, I have a bit of a confession to make. I already did the challenge and it's behind me, and if I look down you'll probably see it, but it pains me to say my microphone was disconnecting the whole time, so there was no audio during the whole clips that I recorded. So basically instead of recording the process, I just need to show you guys the product and the final finish of it. I apologize. It happens, you know, to the best of us, and I would do a voiceover, but it just doesn't seem right, because I know I'm going to get, like, the timings off and everything. But before I show you, please do leave a comment in the actual video I made where you can comment challenges and stuff. I lost my words for a second. But anyways, it's time to show you guys. Now, upon doing some research, there was 3 different types of trees. There's obviously the palm tree that was in the jungle and rainforest from images I've seen. There's this one with like a thick bottom, goes thinner to the top, and then there's leaves on top of the branches and stuff. And then there's this one, which is pretty much very tall and similar leaf pattern to this one, as you can see here. And those were like the 3 main ones I saw when doing this challenge and researching it. But basically I'm going to just quickly go over the details. For this one, I just put it a bit sideways, as you can see, and then I added some slabs to add some variety to it. And then at the bottom I just put some, what are these called? Like roots, I would suppose, but like made out of fence posts. And then for a finishing touch, I had to add some cocoa beans to keep the realism of coconuts growing, and these are the closest things to coconuts in Minecraft besides getting a head for them. Anyways, the second one here, as you can see, it's just literally a thick bottom. So what I did is I built like a circular bottom sort of and just tried to thin it out. And I made 2 branches expanding outwards, and then I basically just tried to keep the leaves on like a specific layer on each of the branches. As you can see, it doesn't really droop down or anything, because that's how the tree really looks. For the final one, I tried to keep the roots a bit not exaggerated, but then I realized, what if I made it exaggerated? So I added some slabs and fences to the roots, and I put some blocks in the ground and stuff, and I built all the way up. And I basically just spammed a bunch of leaf blocks until it worked. I mixed a bit of jungle and oak leaves in this one, and it did work out quite well. And I also put some vines, which are not quite grown yet, as you can see. But yeah, these are the 3 trees that I came up with for the rainforest design. But as you can see, they do work in actual rainforest. But I just decided to do 3 different types and variants that you can put in like the copy and paste world edit, blah blah blah, you know. So that's the challenge completed. And yeah, that's everything.